Between trying too hard and the easy way out, I pushed myself through closing doors. With my head in the clouds, my guts on the ground, my heart is racing against the clock. If your head's in the lock, your words on repeat, you're trying to hide the incomplete. Somebody waits at the foot of your bed for you to say hello. Welcome, brand new day. What do you want from me? What's your plan? You come and go so naturally, I'll stay. Welcome, brand new day. If you turn your back on me, sure I'll wait for you patiently right here, trusted friend. Bring on your cares and your perfect mistakes, cause me trouble and change my ways. You're giving me hope or you're giving me hell, whichever way, I know you mean it well. Too many times I've tried to ignore your road signs and I hit the wall. It's not that I didn't care, it's just that I didn't know how to say hello. Welcome, brand new day. What do you want from me? What's your plan? You come and go so naturally, I'll stay. Welcome, brand new day. If you turn your back on me, be sure I'll wait for you patiently right here, a trusted friend.